Want to see my new house? I just made it. It's got a special way to open the door. Check it out. Open sesame. You see? Look. This is my tea room where I have my drinks and my snacks. And here in the other room is where I keep my collections. Here, I'll show you. Meet me up in the front, okay? Here we go. This is my collection. Aren't my bottles so pretty? Finally, I left the best part of the house till last. It's upstairs. I'll meet you there, okay? Let's go. Well, here we are. Can you guess what it is? It's a rooftop swimming pool and patio. This is where I swim. This is where I keep all my treats. When you come over next time, I could share some with you. Well, that's it for me now. I still gotta fix up a few things in my new house. Come again next time. Bye. If you like our video, don't forget to press like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.